reaching the peak of self-cooling handheld laser welding. With mighty power,
The Bodor Aqua Series self-cooling handheld laser welder
is fully loaded and ready to take on a challenge. To reach the peak, we must constantly surpass expectations.
The Aqua Series self-cooling handheld laser welder
Stands out among water-cooled welders with its impressive, full-power performance. Featuring a sleek, streamlined design and simple one-knob operation, the welder offers a full range of process parameters, delivering seamless system tuning and operation. At full power, the laser beam is intense and powerful, delivering speeds faster than ever. Compared to traditional MIG and TIG welding methods, the
Aqua Series
doubles welding speed, achieving up to 190 centimeters per minute for 1 millimeter material thickness, with 20% higher welding efficiency than similar products. It truly excels. Backed by full, robust power output, it also delivers high-density beam energy for superior penetration depth under equal conditions and power levels. The
Aqua Series
delivers over 1 millimeter deeper penetration, offering superior quality beyond its class. All of these peak performances are powered by Bodor Laser's self-developed system and industry-leading optical solutions. With full power and continuous beam emission, it maintains stable performance, even under 24 hours a day, 7 days a week continuous welding. Solid welding capabilities ensure smooth, even, and flawless welds with no deformation. Certified by CNAS, it passes rigorous testing for bend resistance, hardness, and tensile strength. Whatever you want to weld, it brings absolute confidence.
The Aqua Series
Also excels in cutting and cleaning functions. Under full power, the maximum cutting thickness is up to 5 millimeters, making different kinds of sheets easy to cut. Besides, with a maximum cleaning width of 120 millimeters, it can remove rust, paint, and stains with ease. Additionally, it includes a forward-looking feature, which is the external control I/O interface, for connecting with automatic welding equipment, opening doors to even greater potential. It offers 1200 watts, 1500 watts, 2000 watts, and 3000 watt models, welding cutting nozzles, and 10-meter fiber optics. What's more,
Aqua Series
is incredibly user-friendly. It takes only 30 minutes to master, and without welding certificate, welded in one step, workpieces do not need regrinding. Even if you're a beginner, you'll achieve extraordinary results, powerful laser, and unmatched performance. Deliver you a truly next-level experience.
Bodor Aqua Series self-cooling handheld laser welder.
Full power and full force for you to unleash its full potential.
Bodor Laser ranks #1 in global sales volume.